Hi, it's Gil from Bonaire, and today I'm going to install some railings for my mom. She's going to be 91 next week, and she needs a little help with this step here. So I'm going to create some wrought iron railings, and I'm going to drill some holes and put some epoxy here and up there and here and up there. So I'm going to need a diamond core drill to drill those, but I'm going to sink them inside and we're going to epoxy them. These are the parts that I bought at Salvage. This piece right here is 8 inches from there down to there, same rise. So I'm going to create a jig to be able to hold them so I can get them cut and welded. So you can see here and here I have 2 blocks of wood, and so that represents this block right here. This hole goes all the way through it within about a 1/2 inch, and that's up in about a 1/2 inch. So now I'm able to put the railing up here to be able to get the right angle and get it all welded. Now I can take it off and go ahead and give it a tack. This looks like about enough space for the hand to go in there and not get caught. So I'll go ahead and tack this and weld that. Like I said, I'm no pro, but I like to weld. I'm out of practice because I've been restoring the house. And welding just takes consistent practice and learning new methods and skills. For this portion, I want to make sure I have the same amount of distance between each one of these vertical pieces. So that's 15 7/8 there. And I have adjusted this to where I'm at 15 7/8 as well. That's not so bad for a newbie. What do you think? Now we just have to do the other side. The railings are complete. I've just got to spray paint them and then use a core drill to drill into the stone and put them in. One thing I noticed though, I measured my mom's from where she would hold on to the railing to the floor, and it's 32 inches. And these balusters from here to here are exactly 32 inches. So they need to go into the concrete and the stone at least 4 inches. So I had to get some square tubing and weld extensions on here. So they're all nice and straight. So I will bury these pretty much up to here and put some 2-part epoxy in the hole, but at least they'll be the right height. It would have really been a shame to bury them up to here, cover up this nice detail. So I had to weld on these extension pieces. So that's where we are with the railing project. These are little stone and concrete turds. And here's the finished product. We just spray painted them So we have some tape there around the stone, but they are 4 inches depth inside. They're not going anywhere, but I love the architectural detail on these. It's just really, really pretty. So if that helped, please subscribe. Thanks.